Mental health initiative, Channel Factory. Why? Well, because Channel Factory works in social media, mental health, especially amongst the youth and teen audiences, is highly correlated with exposure to social media. So we felt it was time that we did something about it. What did we do? Well, first of all, we reached out to experts in the industry in mental health and looked at the various social media disorders and there are things related to overexposure and overconsumption of social media. And then having met with these various experts that you'll see profiled on this page coming up, we then realized that what we could do is not only support them in sharing their best practice and their how-to guides and mental health toolkits, but we could also work with them to support how they're working directly with the platforms to improve policies and practice. And the third thing we can do is we can actually curate positive mental health inclusion lists, the same way we did for LGBTQ+ and sustainability and ethnic groups, etc., so that marketers and advertisers can lean in and actively support these groups, these communities, and these agendas within their advertising. So, lots of ways to help, lots of ways to get involved for you, the marketer, for the advertiser. But first up, we want you to be aware of the issue, and then we want to encourage you to participate, both in sharing best practice, but also contributing and supporting positive content creators. So with that, thank you very much.